Hello and welcome to Sunday Morning Builds. Thank you for tuning in for this week's build. And this week we have Brickhead's Harry Potter. This is set number 40617 and it contains Draco Malfoy, which is Brickhead number 209, and Cedric Diggory, Brickhead number 210. Now this set comes with 262 pieces as a twin set. And as you can see, we've already done Harry Potter and Cho Chang previous video, and we still have Kingsley as well to do in this set here. So 262 pieces, double Brickhead, great set, great looking set, and I think it's time to get into the speed build and then come back and do the review. Welcome back. Here we have it, set number 40617 in its completed form. Harry Potter, Brickheads, Draco Malfoy, and Cedric Diggory. Great looking sets. I really do like the printed pieces on these sets. It really set them apart. It's one of my favourite things about Brickheads is you never get stickers, always printed parts. And I think these come out really well. And even though all Brickheads generally have the same eyes, somehow Lego seems to really capture the characters in these simple faces, and I really do like it, even down to the point here where the robes here don't quite hit the bottom. You can see the gap here, really cleverly done. Hopefully you can see that. There we are. On both of these sets. The brooms are a very simple two-piece item, very clever, and even down to the back of the robes and the detail on the back. Very simplistic in these two, but quite effective. And then the hairstyles really set them off and bring the characters really to the front there. So great sets, 262 pieces, about a 25-minute build. Great addition to the collection, which I have the Harry Potter ones just over here. So they will be added, and then there's one more set in the Harry Potter collection before we move into what is the I've got them here. The Sonic sets, they're single sets. So that's it for this week. Hopefully I'll have another one ready for you in the following weeks. Bye for now.